Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to get an auto insurance quote on the Geico mobile app quickly and easily, so you can compare prices and find the best coverage right from your phone. First, download the Geico mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. Next, log in or create an account. If you already have a Geico account, sign in with your credentials. If not, tap Create Account and follow the setup instructions. It only takes a minute. Once you're logged in, tap Get a Quote, then select Auto Insurance from the list of options. Now you'll need to enter your zip code and personal details, like your name, address, and date of birth. Then add your vehicle information, such as make, model, year, and VIN. You'll also fill in your driving history and select your preferred coverage types, like liability, comprehensive, or collision. After that, Geico will instantly generate your quote based on what you entered. You can adjust your coverage levels, add extras like roadside assistance, and compare premium options to see what fits your budget. Once you're happy with your quote, you can buy your policy directly through the app or save the quote for later if you're still deciding. And that's it. Getting an auto insurance quote on the Geico mobile app is super simple. Download the app, enter your details, and you'll get your quote in minutes. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.